Well, it's getting really long in the day. It's got about another 20 minutes before the sun goes down. And when the butternut tree is ripe, they spend all morning in the butternut tree, and then they act crazy. None of them act the way they usually do. I don't know if it's because the effect of the butternuts or whether it's because they got lots of food. Come here, Chip Chip. Come here, buddy. I do not know. Come on, Chip Chip. How about you? Come here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come here. Come here. Don't get in the tree. Come on. Come here. What are you doing? Get over here. It's Boomer. Boomer, what are you doing? It's a good one, Boomer. And this is another good one, too. See, no holes in it. Not brown, because I know you don't like brown ones. And you're standing on the other one. Here. Can you carry this one? Nope. Yeah, they're big peanuts, I know. Alright, buddy. None of them act normal. Almost like drunk. Yeah, drunk chipmunks. That'd be a first.